Welcome to the top picks. The best kiss and fake up is probably one of the most talked about beauty products right now, promising to effortlessly conceal imperfections and create a flawless complexion that lasts all day, making it an essential addition to any makeup bag for those moments when you need to look your absolute best, whether you're recovering from a late night or simply want to enhance your natural beauty with minimal effort. Number 5. Kiss Everlasting Press-On Nails Infinite. Achieve a flawless manicure in moments with these convenient press-on nails. They offer a beautiful, lasting finish without the salon visit. Sporting a stylish white color and a modern squoval shape, they are designed to suit various preferences. These medium-sized nails provide a sophisticated look for any occasion. Applying them is incredibly simple and quick. Just press them on for a secure and comfortable fit that lasts. This complete set provides everything required for a perfect application. It includes 28 nails, 2G of glue, a manicure stick, and a mini file. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and durability with these nails. They are designed for extended wear, giving you confidence throughout your day. What we like? These press-on nails offer a classic, elegant look with a convenient application. With glue included, you get everything you need for an instant manicure. If you're looking for a quick, traditional nail solution that's easy to apply, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Number 4. Kiss Look So Natural False Eyelashes, Shy, 12mm. Achieve a stunning, natural look with these exquisite false eyelashes. They are designed to blend seamlessly with your own lashes, enhancing your eyes beautifully. Experience the delicate charm of the Shy style, perfectly crafted at 12mm. This length provides a subtle yet noticeable enhancement for everyday elegance. Each pack includes 5 versatile pairs, ensuring you have plenty for various occasions. You'll always have a fresh set ready to go. Applying them is incredibly easy, making your beauty routine faster and more enjoyable. You can achieve a professional look in minutes. These lash clusters are not only beautiful but also reusable, offering great value. Enjoy their stunning effect multiple times with proper care. What we like? Achieve a subtle enhancement with these natural-looking false eyelashes. They come in a convenient multi-pack, ensuring you have lashes for multiple occasions. If you prefer a delicate, everyday lash look that can be reused, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The product provides excellent coverage without feeling heavy on the skin. Its long-lasting formula ensures makeup stays put throughout the day without needing touch-ups. Number 3. Kiss Falscara DIY Eyelash Extension Lengthening Wisps. Dreaming of stunning, professional-looking lashes without the salon visit? Now you can transform your look right at home. These innovative wisps make it easier than ever to get that coveted lash extension effect. Designed for easy at-home application, they allow you to create a personalized lash look. You don't need to be an expert to achieve beautiful results with this simple system. Experience ultimate comfort with their feather-light synthetic design. You'll barely feel them, ensuring a natural feel throughout your day. These artificial eyelashes are not only beautiful but also reusable, offering great value. Enjoy multiple wears from each cluster, making them a smart choice for your beauty routine. This multi-pack includes 24 mini lash clusters, perfect for customizing your desired length and volume. They provide an authentic eyelash extension look that enhances your natural beauty. Get ready to elevate your gaze with these lengthening wisps. They offer a flawless, authentic finish, giving you confidence with every blink. What we like? These wisps allow you to create a customizable, authentic eyelash extension look at home. Their featherlight design ensures comfortable wear throughout the day. If you're looking for a DIY lash extension experience with a natural, weightless feel, this multipack is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted. Number 2. Kiss Impress Press-On Nails. Get salon-quality nails in minutes with this revolutionary kit. It offers a hassle-free way to achieve beautiful hands without the need for messy glue. This kit features 30 stunning all-black nails, perfect for any occasion. Their elegant shade adds a touch of sophistication to your look. Experience the comfort of super slim, short squoval nails. They are designed to feel incredibly natural, almost like your own. Enjoy a brilliant, glossy gel finish that mimics a professional manicure. These nails will keep your hands looking flawless and chic. Thanks to its innovative PureFit technology, these nails provide a secure and comfortable fit. They stay put, giving you confidence throughout your day. Each kit comes complete with a prep pad, manicure stick, and mini file. You'll have all the essentials for a perfect application right at your fingertips. What we like? Experience a hassle-free manicure with these innovative no-glue press-on nails. Their peel and stick application makes them incredibly fast and easy to use. If you need a super quick, mess-free manicure with a sleek gel finish, this kit is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection 01 Ruffle Eyelashes. Discover the stunning Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection. These false eyelashes are designed to give you a naturally dramatic look. Experience the unique Ruffle style, offering full and fluffy volume. They are crafted to enhance your eyes with a beautiful, soft flutter. Enjoy ultimate comfort with their innovative cushion flexi band. This band ensures a seamless fit that moves with your natural lash line. Achieve a gorgeous, voluminous look without feeling heavy. They provide a luxurious, full effect that's perfect for any occasion. This convenient multipack includes 4 pairs, so you'll always have them ready. Stock up on your favorite style and enjoy long-lasting beauty. What we like? These lashes deliver full, fluffy volume for a dramatic eye-catching effect. The unique cushion flexi band ensures comfortable wear and easy application. If you desire a bold, high-impact lash look with superior comfort, this collection is perfect for making a statement. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.